Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Lighting and solar equipment suppliers Fosrich has signed another solar product financing deal with a micro-lending firm. Customers are now being offered 100% financing for solar power systems and water heaters through Access Financial Services. The deal also covers financing for parts to include batteries, solar panels and inverters. Chief Executive Officer of Fosrich, Cecil Foster, says clients will have up to 5.5 years to repay. Fosrich will also offer the option of repairing or replacing related products along with maintenance support tools. At the end of January, the company also partnered with Access's rival Dollar Financial Services to offer a similar solar power system financing product. Under that program, 90% financing is being offered with up to 3.5 years to repay. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ has intervened in the foreign currency market today. The central bank sold $30 million to authorized dealers and cambios in a flash sale operation. Now, this is the 6th intervention since the start of the year. 7 banks and 5 cambios were successful in the auction. JMMB Bank, the National Commercial Bank, NCB, and JMMB Securities received the largest shares at a settlement price of $154.72. Now, today's flash sale pushes the total sum added to the foreign currency market by intervention so far this year to $170 million. And after that intervention, foreign currency exchange trading ended today with the US dollar being sold for an average $155.11. That's 3 cents higher. The Canadian dollar is going for $115.94. The average selling rate for the pound is $187.99, while the euro is going for $167.25. To some more company news now, VM Wealth Management has announced changes to its management team. Shervon Legister has been appointed manager for asset management at VM Wealth. He will also be responsible for providing oversight of the company's asset management unit. Mr. Legister's appointment took effect on February 1. The company says the move is part of its strategic plan to improve business targets. And to the stock exchange now, the JSE index fell by 2,316 points today, while the junior market index gained 7 points. Among the winners were MFS Capital Partners, Productive Business Solutions PBS 9.75% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Key Insurance, Iron Rock Insurance, and JMMB Group 7.5% shares. While the decliners were led by MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, JMMB Group 7.25% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and Edufocal. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.